Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Spooky Mutation on your garden and Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get Spooky Mutation, you need to have Ghost Bear Pad. You can buy the Ghost Bear Pad from this Halloween market. You can go to the creepy critters and talk to the NPC, and here you can buy the ghost bear, and if I'm not mistaken it costs 70 candy corn. Okay, and as you can see that it can apply Spooky Mutation to your fruits, so you need to have this ghost bear if you want to get Spooky Mutation. Just visit the Halloween market, which appear every hour. So every hour you need to stand by and then buy the ghost bear. And then I'm going to show you the ghost bear on my garden. This one guys, this is my ghost bear. And this is the ability. Okay. It can go to nearby fruit and scare it and then apply the Spooky Mutation. Okay, so fruits on your garden will get Spooky Mutation from this ghost bear. Okay guys, and that's all the way to get Spooky Mutation on your garden and grow a garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.